Sanchez Y Haya Real Estate Company was one of Tampa's earliest land developers. It was founded by Sanchez and Ignacio Haya, who opened the first cigar factory in Tampa in 1885. Seeing the early success of Tampa's cigar industry, the partners expanded to real estate and constructed numerous buildings in Ybor City. When Sanchez and Haya saw our iconic El Reloj cigar factory being built at 16th and Columbus in 1910, they decided to build this two-story building across the street to serve workers and visitors. The first floor was used for a cafe, a grocery store, a coffee mill, and other commercial purposes. And the second floor was a boarding house and an old hotel. Many newspaper articles detailed this building's colorful past, which includes bootlegging during Prohibition and gathering of Tampa's criminal underworld decades ago. The building is architecturally and historically significant. It's 70 feet by 120 feet and was built in 1910. It has a second floor balcony overlooking Columbus Drive and an open area in the center of the second floor that allows natural light to flow inside. It features an Iberian-style front facade designed to look like an old colonial building with a stucco finish over concrete and rebar. The name Sanchez Y Haya Real Estate Company is stamped in the second floor facade. At the time of its construction, newspapers wrote that it was built with reinforced concrete and guaranteed waterproof and fireproof, and embodied the latest ideas in that form of construction. After being abandoned for decades, the building is in very poor condition. It is in desperate need of investment in order to save it and begin the process of restoring it. The roofing that previously existed has worn away completely, resulting in extensive water intrusion. The reinforced structural concrete frame of the building has been badly damaged from repeated and prolonged exposure to moisture. The roof and floor slab have spalled extensively, exposing the embedded reinforcing. Several structural members, including columns, have been critically compromised. The slab on grade first floor has cracked and disintegrated at many locations. The exterior stucco has delaminated from its base, and pieces have fallen off the building. Many of the interior non-load-bearing partitions still stand, but their plaster finish is beyond repair and likely contains asbestos. The first floor storefront windows were either previously removed and infilled or covered with plywood. The second floor wood windows appear to be original, but they are nearly destroyed. The condition of this historic building has dramatically worsened since we purchased it 2 years ago. We are worried that if we don't begin the process of trying to stabilize the structure soon, it will be lost. We intend to restore this historic building to serve its original purpose as a mixed-use building with a cafe, cigar lounge, and inn, just like the building had 100 years ago. We expect that the project will spur further economic development in our neighborhood, create new jobs for local residents, provide more amenities for our neighbors and visitors, and generate additional tax revenue. Because we have an architect, engineer, and contractor who specialize in historic preservation, we are certain that we can complete this work in less than 12 months. Our team not only has extensive experience restoring other historic structures in the region, but also has proven itself by restoring the El Reloj cigar factory across the street. The Sanchez Y Haya Real Estate Company building is one of the most endangered historic buildings in the city of Tampa. We look forward to preserving and restoring it for the community.